Are you new to the world of investing and looking for a unique opportunity? Then it's time to consider cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates independently from central banks, making it an appealing investment option for those seeking financial independence. With Bitcoin leading the pack as the most popular form of cryptocurrency, there has never been a better time to learn about this exciting investment opportunity. In this beginner's guide to cryptocurrency investing, we'll explore everything you need to know before taking your first steps into this profitable and unpredictable market. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange, using cryptography techniques for secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies operate independently from central banks, which makes them highly appealing to investors seeking financial independence. One of the most significant benefits of investing in cryptocurrency is the potential for high returns on investment. Unlike traditional investments like stocks and bonds, cryptocurrencies are not regulated by any government or financial institution, allowing them to be traded freely on open markets. However, this freedom also comes with risks associated with its unpredictable nature. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate rapidly based on market trends and news events. Despite these challenges, many investors still see cryptocurrency as an excellent opportunity for diversifying their portfolios and generating potentially significant profits. With proper research and risk management strategies in place, anyone can become successful at investing in cryptocurrency. While there are risks involved in investing in cryptocurrency due to volatility factors inherent within the market structure, it remains an attractive investment option that has provided lucrative returns for many savvy investors. Investing. Investing is an essential aspect of personal finance that can help individuals achieve their financial goals. It involves putting money into assets with the expectation of gaining a profit in the future. Investing allows people to grow their wealth, create passive income streams, and protect against inflation. Choosing what to invest in requires careful consideration and research. There are various investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Each investment has its own set of risks and rewards. It's crucial to have a well-diversified portfolio that includes different types of investments across multiple sectors and industries. Diversification helps reduce risk by not having all your eggs in one basket. When investing for long-term goals like retirement or buying a home, it's important to start early and remain consistent over time. By regularly contributing money towards your investments, you'll benefit from compound interest, which can significantly increase your returns over time. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your risk tolerance before investing any money. Some investments carry more significant risks than others but may also offer higher potential returns. Understanding how much risk you're willing to take on will help guide you towards suitable investment options for your financial situation. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, and it's often what people think of when they hear the term cryptocurrency. It was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning there's no central authority controlling it. One unique aspect of Bitcoin is that it has a finite supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This makes Bitcoin more like gold than traditional currencies, which can be printed endlessly by governments. To buy and sell Bitcoin, you'll need to use a digital wallet. There are many options available online. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which ensures transparency and security. While some people see Bitcoin as an investment opportunity due to its limited supply and potential for growth and value over time, others view it as too volatile and risky for their personal finance goals. If you do decide to invest in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, make sure you understand the risks involved and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Personal finance. Personal finance is an essential aspect of our daily lives that affects how we manage our money. Whether it's paying bills, saving for the future, or investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies, understanding personal finance can help us make informed financial decisions. One way to start managing your finances is by creating a budget. This involves tracking your income and expenses to determine how much you're spending and where you can cut back. A budget allows you to set financial goals and prioritize your spending accordingly. Another important factor in personal finance is debt management. It's crucial to stay on top of debts such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Paying off high-interest debts first can save money in the long run. Saving for emergencies should also be a priority when it comes to personal finance. Having an emergency fund with at least 3 months' worth of living expenses can provide peace of mind during unexpected situations like job loss or medical emergencies. In addition, investing wisely in stocks or cryptocurrencies can potentially increase wealth over time but carries risks that need consideration before jumping into any investment opportunities blindly. Taking control of your personal finances requires discipline and knowledge but will ultimately lead to financial stability and better quality life down the road. Money. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a very lucrative opportunity, but it's important to approach it with caution and knowledge. As a beginner, taking the time to research different cryptocurrencies, their history, and potential for growth is crucial. It's also essential to understand the risks involved in investing in such a volatile market. However, with proper research and understanding of the market, investing in cryptocurrency can provide diversification to your investment portfolio and potentially yield significant returns. Just like any other investment option, it's important to take into consideration your personal financial situation before making any decisions. If you're interested in exploring the world of cryptocurrency investing as a beginner, start by doing thorough research on various cryptocurrencies before deciding which ones are right for you. With careful consideration and strategic planning, cryptocurrency has the potential to become an excellent addition to your long-term financial goals.